Should have held her.
I gotta clean up. Can't see anything. Anything at all. You know, this is all good fun. It's great having all the regular boys out here. We got Cody and Troy, Howie, myself and ATV. We got Steve out for the run, which is pretty badass. His machine's kicking ass. We got Tommy.
Got the fucking back again.
You got the shit end of the stick, buddy. Sorry.
That truck, I'll never get the on there. Fuck that. Norman, get in here.
No.
Get that in here.
Get your fucking brother in there. He's been sitting up here for 10 minutes. Fuck. Wait, Steve is gonna do it. Right on, Steve.
You lazy c***.
Right on, Steve. You know what? You're showing up on every ride. So you get to show up on every ride so I don't have to listen to his shit all the time.
Yeah, we only need a foot. How easy that is.
That's wicked.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
Perfect. She's getting soupy. Really? You fucking serious? What the fuck? She don't want to let me go.
It's going that way. Hey?
Holy shit.
Just take the long pole like he did. All the way across.
Well, honey, you want to go one more round or what? Fuck.
And I'm not sure if it was the right deal there for a second. Okay, let's go find some water, eh?
You don't put your helmet on. Holy fuck! Well, I turned the shit pretty quick.
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
Oh, sorry, girl. Holy fuck!
The way he's carrying on, he's going to be editing for swear words for a month.
You're gonna hit that? You're just gonna sing. That one sure he goes. Take a break.
Whoa.
When in doubt. The camera probably got no audio. Get another skag on there. Jesus, Jesus, that's a bad spot. Look at what we did to this thing. Jesus. Yeah, I gotta go that way.
Ain't gonna happen.
No, it's not. Let's just take a break.
Okay.
You guys really suck.
You'll never do it. There's no way that you could ever make that.
Your gloves, eh?
Your gloves.
Alright.
That bike's not capable of making that.
Yeah, okay.
Like I'm gonna fall for that shit.
Just take a break.
As he's lining it up.
I'm gonna fall for that shit.
Would you look at that popo go? Yeah, he did. Rotten bastard. We'll never hear the end of that one now. Take 5 minutes here.
We ready? You good? Yeah.
Kill that camera top once.
Maybe I'm not done.